Mike. Jackson buys a van in a sale. Before the sale, the cost of the van was $8,000. The cost of every van is reduced by 20% in this sale. Jackson pays a deposit of $1,000. He will pay the rest of the cost in 1 year by making equal monthly payments. Work out the amount of each monthly payment. Let's take this one step at a time. So we are starting with a price of $8,000 and then we're applying a 20% sale. So we need to find what is 20% of 8,000 and then subtract that number from 8,000 so we can find the sale price. You could do it one of two ways. You could convert the percent into a decimal and multiply, or you could do the fraction form. And in this case, the fraction form is actually going to be faster, so I'm going to recommend you do that method because this way we can cross out zeros and be left with 80 times 20. And you could multiply this out this way, or you could say 8 times 2 is 16, add the 2 zeros, and you have 1,600 right away. Again, very fast. So now let's take $1,600 and subtract that from 8,000. 0, 0, we'd have to borrow here. 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 1 is 6. So the sale price of this car is $6,400. What comes next is that Jackson pays a deposit of $1,000. So we can take another $1,000 off of that price from the deposit and be left with $5,400. $5,400 is the amount of money we are going to be making equal monthly payments on for the entire course of a year. Since there are 12 months in a year, we need to divide $5,400 evenly between 12 months. 12 can go into 54 4 times. 12 times 54 is 48. We can subtract, we'll have to borrow. 14 minus 8 is 6, 4 minus 4 is 0, we bring down a 0. 12 can go into 65 times evenly with no remainder, but we still have to bring down that last 0. 12 can go into 0 times, leaving us with a monthly payment of $450. Answer choice B.